mayroon tayong job order. So bubungkalin ko ito. Ito yung job order of the day today. So mayroon ng marka kung hanggang saan ko siya bubungkalin. Hanggang dito. Yan. So ito uulitin ko to, bubungkalin ko to rito. Hindi kabigatan na trabaho, pero at least yung mga nagtatrabaho sa labas, pag uwi nila, hindi na nila gagawin ito. Kasi andito na ako magtatrabaho. Trabaho time! Garden time! Naka-double jacket ako kasi yung hangin malamig sa likod, kaya dinoble ko yung jacket ko. May sikat ang araw pero yung hangin malamig, kaya ito tapusin natin to at makapananghalian na tayo. Yung oras alas 12, pero maganda, di ba? Alas 12 ng tanghali ang oras, hindi masakit yung init. Let's go. Job finish. Ano sabi nyo? Hindi naman mabigat na trabaho. Ito yung mga trabaho na pangkahinaan. Pero at least, di ba, pagdating nila sa trabaho, wala na silang gagawin. Kwento nga rito eh. Minsan talagang pagod na galing sa trabaho. Tapos magbungkal ng lupa. Ako din nagbungkal ito, kung maalala nyo. Ito, bago mag-winter, ako nagbungkal ito. Ito, dalawa kami ni Ana nagbungkal ito. Yung nakita nyong tambak yan, compost yan. Ito, compost na compost. Ikakalat pa namin yan. So, yan. Job order of the day. Accomplished. Ayos. Yan. Ayusin ko lang to kasi yung ibang lupa lumabas kasi may boundary na nilagay ito eh. Yun. Right. Woo. Easy peasy job, di ba? Easy peasy job. Ang kailangan lang ay sabi ko nga kahapon dun sa vlog ko nung andito kami ni Maming kadalawa, itong matandang ito, ubod ng sipag. Ako pa kaya na batang bata, fresh na fresh. Malakas. So hindi naman kahirapan bungkalin yung lupa kasi hindi matigas. Maliban dito yung area na to kanina kasi may damo na tumubo. Ito gagamitan pa ito ni Milan ng makina. Pipinuhin pa ito. Tapos tatamnan ng patatas. Okay. So yan lang muna at tayo magluluto na. So nagyayaan na punta ng park. Hannah just came home from work.
Yeah.
Then she invited us straight away to park.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't bring any picnic with me.
Like finger foods.
Yeah, no picnic. Yeah.
It's okay. Just walk around the park.
We don't do the picnic. Czech people don't do picnic.
Why?
Do?
No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, my friends told me just today that they had a picnic.
Oh, so they become Americanos. Englishanos.
Yeah. But yeah, it's really nice weather today, and I think it's like 10 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, could be.
And then
Yeah.
on Saturday it's going to be 18. Because
Wow.
when I came back home from school, I was sweating. It was so hot. I took off my coat and I even wanted to take off my fleece.
Yeah. That's nice, Pinkay.
It was so warm when I came back.
Yeah. So everybody misses the Philippines weather. The Philippine weather. Do you miss Philippine weather?
I honestly don't really.
Why?
It's too humid.
Too humid.
The sun is amazing though, but it's too humid for me. Like when I was inside of the airport, and when I got straight out of the airport, it's like my breathing became tight.
Really? Okay.
But you're gonna get used to. Because
Yeah,
when
I
I
mean,
was
after a few weeks, like in Philippines, I was like I could breathe normally now.
because when I was working on a cruise ship and we were always in tropical condition, tropical countries, going for holiday to Philippines, it was nothing. I really adapt well. Only sleeping in in village. It was too hot.
Oh, first time namin nakita tong karnero na to. And they're fat. Right?
No, they are full of the wool.
Yeah. Wow. Ahoy! Yaksimas. Oh. Ahoy! Yaksimati. I think it's a male and female, right?
I don't know.
Their eyes are so pretty yellow.
Oh.
No.
Bleh. Who is that character in England in the TV? The cartoon? Shaun the Sheep? Yeah.
But the sheep is not black and white. The sheep is white.
Yeah. May history yung bato na to. Ninakaw to. Ninakaw to dati. It has been stolen. And then they caught the thief after national broadcast na nawala yung bato na to rito. Tapos nahuli nila yung magnanakaw. Tapos binalik nila yung malaking bato na to rito.
Diba?
So Hannah has a picture here when she was dalaga pa. And then when I saw that picture, I said to myself, she's so beautiful. She's smiling. Show that picture, Dania. Can you show them your picture, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's really cold now here. I think time for us to go home.
Yeah.
It's really cold.
What time is it?
I think it's 5 o'clock. If I'm not mistaken. 5:14. So it's really cold. Ramdam ko na kasi nasa loob ka nga ng park. Napapalibutan ng gubat. So let's go home, darling. Enough, yeah? So nakapag-relax ka?
Yeah.
Yes? Nakita niyo yung may tao doon, oh, na namimingwit. Doon yun, namimingwit siya. Sana may makuha siya. Darling, can you talk to him?
No.
What's the requirements to
No,
do the fishing here?
it's so embarrassing.
Why? You just ask question. I wanna really do Oswell fishing, but my neighbor said that I need to get some fishing license.
But you don't know how to fish.
Just buy a fish hook and sit down there and do what he does. So you just sit down, bring your bench, bring your chair.
Well, but maybe there's something special to it.
No,
what
just
if you
buy a
have-
fish hook. That's all you need, and license. How much the fish?
Very, very expensive.
Okay, how much? Tell me how
Like
much.
maybe one cost 5,000 crowns.
One fish hook, 5,000 crowns.
Yeah.
I am willing to buy.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
just wanna spend money like this?
Why?
5,000?
Why? At
Five-
least if you
5,000.
are
I need a mosquito net for 5,000.
no, Hannah is talking about mosquito net because upstairs our window doesn't have mosquito net. So when you open the window, this net is not like bed net. It's literally window net that mosquito is not able to get inside.
Why don't you do one? Like get one.
No, I'll give you money. I'm not joking, darling. I'll give you money, okay? I'll give you money. So that's promise to Hannah that I'll give her money to buy mosquito net.
Okay, and another window I'll buy, yeah? So we're gonna share.
Okay. How about you? What are you going to contribute?
To contribute to what?
To what? Okay, just just focus on your study, and that's it. That's all you can do. Focus on your study, and yeah, do something meaningful in your life.
But I don't know what to do meaningful in my life.
Just
I don't
focus
know
on
what-
your study.
No, but like, if I focus on my study, I study. Then what next? What job do I get?
Focus. No, who knows?
I don't know what job, because every job comes with something that I hate. For example, if I wanted to be pilot, I need physics for that.
My goodness.
I know, but like, I want to find a job that I will wake up every day and be like, oh my
Oh,
goodness, I'm
do like
so
me.
excited to go to work.
Do online job. You don't need to wake up early.
No, but I want to have I want to have like, I don't want to wake up at 10 a.m. every morning or 12. I want to have a like, I want to feel amazing. I want to feel like I'm doing something.
Yeah, I think if you are in love with your job, like mommy, you remember mommy?
Yeah, she loves
She
her
did
job.
love her job when she was in England, and she was so inspired to go to work every single day. Right, darling?
Yeah,
Yeah, and you're
Yeah.
so excited.
yeah. I really love it.
Every single day we give Sophia an advice. At least she would remember our advice. Discipline, the most important, and I thank the Lord that she really behaves well at school, in the public places, even at home. I don't see her really getting like being wild girl, and I think that's because of the
So I'm
discipline.
too shy to do anything. I just sit down in the classroom and just watch everything, and I won't talk. I probably won't. I mean, like, I will talk to you, but I'm more the person that you have to approach me to talk to me, because, like, I just hate.
Yeah, that's okay. At least you excel in class.
When I'm with my when I'm with my best friends, like the people that I love, like really a lot,
Hmm.
then I'm confident to go up to them.
Yeah. Anyway, it's getting cold. Let's go home, okay? Check natin yung status ng aking temporary residence permit application. Okay? Type of visa. Year 2024 ako nag-apply. Check natin kung ano na ang status. Oh my goodness. Still being processed. 7 months. Hanggang ngayon di pa lumalabas. Sali ka. Punta tayo sa Strava para mag-apply ng bridging visa. Nandito na ako sa Ministry of Interior. Then ito yung building nila. So pasukin na natin yung building nila. At may appointment ako rito 10:40, pero yung oras is 9:45 pa lang. Mahaba pang oras. Yan. Okay, wala nga akong 10 minutes sa loob. Binigyan kaagad nila ko ng temporary visa again, valid for 6 months. Ang sabi sa akin ay baka darating ng aking temporary residence permit in 2 to 3 months. So sabi ko, kailangan ko lang ng extension para sigurado. Tama yung sabi niya na baka hindi sila makapagsalita ng English. Tama nga. I can't believe. You're working for foreigners and you don't speak English. And then, ang ginawa ko, so tinawagan ko siya na. So siya nang pinakausap ko via phone. So in-explain niya na lahat-lahat. So wala nga akong 10 minutes sa loob at binigyan kagad ako ng temporary visa. Ang tawag nila dito ay bridging visa. Ito yung visa na habang nag-aantay ka ng iyong temporary residence permit. So kasi pag wala pa akong temporary residence permit, ang status ko rito parang turista. Allowed kang magstay pag mayroon kang visa. Pero pag wala kang visa, so hindi ka allowed. So while waiting, kailangan merong temporary visa. So ang tawag nga nila dito ay bridging visa. Parang yung bridge, yung gap. So yung visa mo yung nagbe-bridge. So habang nag-aantay ka ng residence permit. So ayan, at easy-peasy ang procedure. Nung alam nila ang aking intensyon, binigyan kagad nila ako. No question asked. Talagang another paper. Yung parang lang naman yan eh. Vignet atang tawag nila dyan. Time to go home. Time is 11 o'clock ata.